Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to add photo in Google Docs. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. So you can see I am here in Google Docs. Now to add photo, over here on the top left, you'll find this insert. Click on this and go to image. And over here you'll find multiple options to add photos. You can upload from computer, search on web, import from drive, enter URL of photo. Now I'll try one for searching the web. And over here you can see on the right, this interface of Google Image will appear. You can search from here. I'll search for mountains and hit enter. Here you can find multiple beautiful images of mountains. Now I'll choose one, okay, this one, and insert. And after a few times, depending on your internet speed, image will be appeared over here. You can see I have inserted this photo on Google Docs. In this way, we can insert image on Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.